This headline sounds like the opening scene of a disaster movie. Artificial intelligence created 16 new viruses. That part is real. But the most important word is bacteriophage. These viruses infect bacteria, not people.
Researchers at Stanford and the Arc Institute used genome language models from the Evo family to design complete bacteriophage genomes. The team produced 16 viable designs that replicated in their intended bacterial hosts. Arc describes them as the first AI-designed and experimentally validated organisms of this kind. And this work did not appear from nowhere this week. Arc publicly described the preprint in September 2025 and revisited the result in March 2026.
That is a genuine scientific milestone. AI has moved from suggesting individual molecules and genes toward composing an entire small genome that can function after scientists physically build and test it. But the AI did not independently release anything, escape a laboratory, or decide it wanted to make a pathogen.
The medical reason for doing this is phage therapy. Bacteriophages naturally attack bacteria, and researchers hope rapidly designed phages could help when bacterial infections become resistant to antibiotics or to existing phage treatments.
The biosecurity concern is also real. A technology that becomes better at designing functional genomes is dual use. The researchers themselves discuss biosafety, biocontainment, and biosecurity. Outside experts argue that governance needs to improve before genome design systems become more capable.
But compare that with the most alarmist coverage. One video says it is only a matter of time before the AI escapes its environment and does whatever it wants. Nothing in this experiment demonstrates that. Scientists chose the target, constrained the biological domain, selected designs, manufactured them, and tested them in a controlled laboratory.
The more concrete policy problem is downstream. Synthetic DNA can be ordered from commercial providers. U.S. guidance recommends screening orders and customers, and federal funding rules can require researchers to buy from providers following the screening framework. But the system is not a universal statutory requirement for every commercial order.
That gap is why major AI leaders and biosecurity experts have called for mandatory screening, and why bipartisan legislation has been introduced in Congress. Our verdict: the breakthrough is real, the therapeutic potential is real, and the dual-use risk deserves serious governance. But the 16 viruses in this study are bacteria-targeting phages, not human pathogens, and this is not evidence of a conscious rogue AI inventing plagues on its own.